The POCO X7 is just launched, and in this video we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, build quality, hardware specs, and all of the usual unboxing stuff. So here we go. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got the POCO branding, POCO X7 branding. As you can see, it comes in the classic POCO retail box, the combination of black and yellow. And here we got the information that it comes with 12 GB RAM, 512 GB storage, and we got the silver color option. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got a SIM card tray, ejector pin, some quick start guide, user manuals. Here we got a silicon TPU case for the back panel. Here is our POCO X7 in silver color. Here we got a 45-watt charger and a USB Type-C cable. So these are all of the stuff we got inside the retail box. The POCO X7 smartphone, case for the back panel, USB Type-C cable, 45-watt charger, some quick start guide, user manuals, and the SIM card tray ejector pin. So here on this protective film, you can see few of the hardware specs of the device are mentioned, that it comes with MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra processor. We got a 1.5K 120Hz AMOLED curved display. We got 50 megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization, IP68 dust and water resistance, 5110 mAh battery, and as we have seen, it comes with 45-watt charging. So here is our POCO X7 in silver color. As you can see, it is very beautiful and eye-catching. So let's switch on the device. After that, we will have to go through the setup process, and then we will have a detailed look on our POCO X7. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our POCO X7. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. On the front side, you can see that we got a huge 6.67-inch display with minimal bezels. The sides, both left and right sides, they are curved on the edges, and because of that, the bezels look even thinner and provide an end-to-end visual experience. And because of this default dark wallpaper, it looks totally bezel-less. So if I go to the settings on the right screen, here you can see the bezels. So as you can see on the sides, they are extremely narrow, very thin. The same goes with the bottom bezel as well as the top bezel. In the top center of the display, you will find this punch hole with 20 megapixel front facing camera. At the bottom, we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone along with a SIM card tray slot, and at the top we got another speaker grill, IR blaster, and some microphones again. On the right side, we got the power button along with volume keys, and on the left there is nothing provided. And on the back we got this huge POCO branding and this camera island where you will find 3 rear cameras and a flash. Here we got some regulatory information, and the sides of the back panel are also curved, and the back panel comes in dual tone finish. So the sides are in different tone and shade compared to what we got in the middle. Even though the POCO X7 is 8.4 mm thick, because of the curved edges on the back as well as on the front, it looks way thinner than 8.4 mm. And because of the curved edges, it provides nice grip in hand, and it weighs just 186 grams. So it is quite lightweight, comes with nice grip, and because of the huge screen to body ratio, you will be able to use the device with one hand without facing any issue. The display of POCO X7 is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and it comes with IP68 water and dust resistance. So when it comes to durability, the POCO X7 comes with flagship level protection on the body as well as on the display. The back and the frame is made of plastic of the silver color variant, but there is another variant that comes with vegan leather back panel as well, that is slightly thicker and weighs 4 grams more compared to the plastic version. So overall, in terms of design and build quality, the POCO X7 is a flagship level smartphone in every aspect. It comes with huge screen to body ratio, dual side curved display, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, IP68 water and dust resistance, and the back panel is really gorgeous and eye-catching. Now talking about the display, we got a 6.67-inch crystal raised 1.5K resolution AMOLED display. It comes with 120Hz refresh rate, 2560Hz touch sampling rate, 1920Hz PWM dimming, 20,000 levels of automatic brightness adjustment, HDR10 plus support 12-bit color reproduction, and support for 100% of DCI-P3 color gamut. With 1220 x 2712 pixels resolution, the PPI you will get is 446, and that's quite impressive for a smartphone in this price segment. Because of all of these, the display of POCO X7 is super sharp and beautiful, and even if I bring the camera so close to the display, you can't see any pixelation. The colors are very vibrant, punchy, and you will have a great visual experience on this device for sure. The maximum typical brightness is 500 nits. In the high brightness mode, it can go as high as 1200 nits, and the maximum peak brightness, it can go as high as 3000 nits. So you won't feel any issue while using this device in bright sunny outdoors. It comes with 120Hz refresh rate, and because of that, the display is really smooth, as you can see here. Because of the high touch sampling rate, the touchscreen sensitivity is also quite nice. That will contribute in your gaming experience. Talking about the hardware specs, the POCO X7 comes with MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra processor with Mali G615 GPU. We got 8GB RAM variant with 256GB storage and 12GB RAM variant with 512GB storage. We got UFS 2.2 storage here along with LPDDR4X RAM. And once you start using the device, out of 512GB, 31.5GB is preoccupied and 481GB is user available storage. It comes with memory extension feature that allows you to extend the RAM of the device up to 12GB more to have better user experience on this device. The display of POCO X7 comes with 3 TUV Rhineland eye care certification to provide a better visual and user experience while using this smartphone. Talking about the software side, POCO X7 comes with Android 14 with Xiaomi HyperOS 1.0.40 version. It is running on the Android security update of October 2024 once you start using the device right out of the box. And it comes with plenty of nice and useful options and settings that you can use to improve your productivity. I will make separate videos of all of these features, but here I just want to give you a quick idea that how many options and settings and features we got here on Xiaomi HyperOS. On the home screen, you will find plenty of Xiaomi's application like Music, Game Center, Mi Browser, Themes, Mi Video, Security, File Manager, Xiaomi Home, POCO Community, and we also got the Google's Gemini pre-installed along with Netflix and OneDrive. Here we got some other third-party applications, plenty of them actually. But the good part is that if you do not want to have any of these applications on your device, then you can simply uninstall them, as you can see here. So this is the good thing, that Xiaomi is always providing all of these options to remove any of the third-party applications that you do not want to have on your Xiaomi and POCO smartphones. The user interface is very smooth, as we have seen, and you can give the credit to the 12GB RAM as well as the optimization of Xiaomi HyperOS. Now talking about the camera, we got a 20 megapixel wide angle front facing camera that can record full HD resolution videos up to 60 FPS, and it comes with auto framing up to 0.8x for group selfies. On the back we got 50 megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization and Sony IMX882 sensor. We got 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a 2 megapixel macro camera. So as you can see, there is no dedicated telephoto lens, but instead of that we got in-sensor zoom. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see we got 2x toggle for in-sensor zoom, we got up to 0.6x wide angle mode, we got photo mode, we got the HDR. It comes with AI camera, dynamic shot, dedicated. Macro mode is provided because we got a 2 megapixel macro lens. We got timer, shutter type, motion tracking focus, tilt shift, time burst, and watermark. If you go to video, you can see we can record 4K resolution videos up to 30 FPS, and we got the option for 24 FPS as well. So if you want to record 60 FPS videos, then you will have to go to the full HD resolution mode. We got the steady video as well, but if you use it, then the 60 FPS mode will be disabled. The steady mode does not work on 4K video recording. We got macro mode as well for video recording, but then your resolution will be only 720p, as you can see here. We got the document, we got the pro mode where you can control various aspects of the photography. We got the portrait mode, that is the combination of the beautification and the bokeh effect. We got the dedicated night mode that also comes with wide angle, And if you go to more, here you can see we got the dedicated 50 megapixel mode, panorama, slow motion, dual video recording, time lapse and long exposure as well. You will have to download the long exposure and panorama as they are not pre-installed, but as you can see we got plenty of options and settings when it comes to camera options on POCO X7. We will see how good the camera performance of the device is going to be in our future videos, but right now I just wanted to give you a quick idea about the camera features and options we got here. So overall, the POCO X7 is looking a pretty solid smartphone in every aspect in its price segment, as it comes with a gorgeous display with HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision support, impressive PPI, curved edges and minimal bezels. We got flagship level Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and IP68 protection, up to 512 GB storage, a very feature-rich Xiaomi HyperOS and a promising looking camera setup. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of the POCO X7 like the gaming test, benchmarking test, comparison with other smartphones, especially the POCO X7 Pro, camera quality test, battery performance test, etc. will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.